Hey everybody, before we start the next video, I'm going to tell you what this is. I put it up online and our friendly detectorists around the country said it's for like a vending machine. So back in the 30s and the 40s, you'd put your money in the slot, it would stick in here, and then basically you would push it in, and I'm guessing it was from that claw game. Remember that one? They put a couple pennies in there. All right, enough. On with the next adventure. And welcome to another episode of Thomas the Detectorist. Today I'm going to a beach on the Barnegat Bay. It's going to be fun because I got to go down a bike trail for about a mile before I get to the beach. So let's roll. A nice, lovely ride down a beautiful path, heading towards the Barnegat Bay. I got my groovy bike. Got my basket with all my tools. I got my metal detector. And I hope I got everything. It's a long ride. Still going down the trail. Boy, this is a long trail. Checked it out on historical aerials, and it looked like it was cranberry bogs with a house. And then about somewhere in the late 50s, early 60s, it turned into like a beach area. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna find much silver, but I'm certainly gonna try. All right, I'm almost there. Check it out. Beautiful view of the Barnegat Bay. I'm out of shape. All right, I have arrived. It's bigger than I remember. It's a beautiful place. It's about 1.5 miles off the beaten trail, but there's actually a few people here. First target of the day, a regular dime. That's not bad though. Thought it was a beer can. All right. Look at this quarter, 1976, bicentennial. Look what the sand and the salt has done to this thing, huh? Wow, you can see him, little drummer boy on the back there. Revolutionary War. But it's from 1976. In the hole, on the beach. I figured I'd find a lot of modern stuff, but I'm hoping for 1 or 2 old coins. All right, so I've been here about 10 minutes and got a pocket full of change already. Found a coin spill, quarters, nickels, dimes. No nickels, actually, just dimes, pennies, and quarters. When I checked on historical aerials, there was a house right behind me. So I'm gonna move down the beach a little bit and maybe find some older stuff. All right, ringing up like a penny, maybe like a 17 or so. I got another bullet. Looks like a 22. Now we'll put that in the pocket. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool find. All right, another loud signal. Right by the water. And I see copper, probably a quarter. And yes, it is. That's a little freaky, huh? Deer, dog, no idea. No idea. All right, a very cool find. I believe these were like double-headed nails for boat decks. And there's a lot of boat building going on where I am right now. Showed up as a penny. I like finding these. I got about 10 of them at home. Cool. Gonna go do that little area right here. Should be something good there besides beer cans. All right, things are getting pretty interesting. I just found one of those boat decks. Look at the size of that sucker. I've never seen them this big before. That is cool. This might be a couple 100 years old. Tell me if I'm wrong. All right, I cruised around the little path. I'm on the other side now, but check these out. I found these 3 old deck nails, I guess, for boats, unless somebody else knows what they are. But they're huge. Usually ones I find are a lot smaller, about that size. But I found them pretty much right over there. So now we're gonna do this side. Probably a lot less modern stuff, and hopefully there'll be some older stuff. All right, so I came over to the other side, try to block the wind here. Found a modern dime. Guess I was wrong. Come on, let's find some silver. Yeah. Now that's a big bullet. Gosh, it's so shiny. It almost looks like it's gold. It's been there for a long time, I think. Yeah, so I'm way out here where nobody goes. That was a sign. Found an old dime. Not real old. Clad. All right, going around the bend. Found an old bottle, but there's no message in there. Talk about social distancing, huh? There's not a soul around. There's the pathway. And they go up just a little bit more and then turn around. And you say to yourself, what the heck is a big weight doing on this string? That's a heavy duty fishing gear. Let's lay it down, take a look at it. That's pretty wild. Just walking back to my bike on the trail, and I eyeballed it. Cool. This is great. This metal detecting hobby I've taken up has definitely taken me out to some cool places. I guess these are old cranberry bogs, I guess. I don't know what that thing's hanging up in the pole is. Up in the trees, a pole. That's pretty cool though. I found this little empty spot right here. Very, very, very cool. All right, back hunting. All right, I made it back where I parked my bike. Got a little bit of a beach to go down here to do, but in the sand, I don't know. Is it silver? Come on, baby. Be silver. Be silver. No, it's not silver. Oh. It looked like it's sitting there, but you can see the patina on a little bit there. And the side is clad. All right. Found a bunch of coin today. Found a bunch of bullets. Old bolt parts. Very interesting day. So right over by my bike where I was parked, on the other side, that little beach right there, that looks like a 1946 wheat penny. Yeah, that's cool. There you go. You can see it says 1 cent. I knew I'd find something old here. I mean, coin-wise. All right. Got a little bit more to go. We'll go check it out. Hopefully we'll find some more. All right, excitement, excitement. I got another signal next to that wheat penny. All right, I'm gonna dig her up. All right, there she is, right there. Come on, baby. Oh, regular penny. That's funny. I was hoping it was gonna be a Wheatie. All right, it's a great little beach. Found that wheat penny. Found about 10 bullets over here. I got a 30 signal right here. Could be a quarter. Yep. It is a modern quarter. 1990. Alrighty, and next to the quarter is another quarter. bad. And 1996. Little coin spill maybe? Let's see if there's more. All right, on this beautiful day, we are almost done. Maybe another dig or two. We do have a little walk back to the other side, but I do have a signal. Let's check it out. We got a 22 signal. Sounds like a penny. Yep, just a regular penny. All right, hunt's almost over. Got a lot of cool things to check out on the roundup. All right, I made it back home. I was just around the corner, so I didn't have to go too far today, which is kind of nice. And we're ready to check out the finds. All right, I'd say the coolest thing we found today is 3 of these boat decking nails. Now, these are old. In this area that I live in, used to build ships. And we're talking like 1680, 1690, 1700. I'm going to do a little research and find out what these things are, actually, and how old they are. So that's pretty cool. We got quarters, 1976, bicentennial. We got $2 worth. We got a wheat penny, 1946. That's very nice. I always like to find those wheat pennies. 10, 11 dimes, a whole bunch of pennies. Man, do I have bullets. Let me tell you, if you like bullets, you'll like that park, wherever the heck I was. There's thousands of them. Maybe they shoot from across the creek into the sand over there. I don't know. And a game tag from Pennsylvania. Probably was on a bird or something. So, and I think that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and always like, subscribe. That would really make me happy. I got about 23 subscribers. When I get to 25, I'm gonna give something away. I think I'm gonna give a Indian head nickel. No, what's it called? Buffalo nickel. When I get to 25 subscribers, we're giving away a buffalo nickel. I'll even pay for postage. All right, guys, enjoy. We'll be out soon. The weather's supposed to be real nice.